La Crosse Mayor Shondell Washington Spivey is now coming up on his first year in office. Crystal is back with us now. And Crystal, you spoke one-on-one with the mayor. So what were some of the things that stood out?
Well, Dustin, we spoke about a wide range of topics, including staffing and budgets, and some of the bigger policy conversations happening in the city. But he says a lot of the first year has been really about understanding the scope of the job. Washington Spivey says when he first took office last April, he was stepping into a role that oversees nearly 600 city employees, while also working with council on policy, navigating budget challenges after federal relief funding ended, and staying connected with residents.
There's the personnel management piece where you're working with your department heads and building morale amongst staff. And then there's the public-facing things of like being out there, making sure you're listening to your constituents, the ceremonial things, all those things, right?
He adds building relationships with department heads early on was important, especially as he worked to define priorities and better understand the city's financial realities.
The biggest things for me was to really get to know the department heads, have them get to know me, and figure out how we can work well together. Starting in January, I've been meeting with the finance team. We've been breaking down some things. Starting in February, all the department heads will be meeting monthly to talk about the budget so that we can really process through what are some of the changes that we need to make.
He says the city also has what he calls a unique opportunity right now with new leadership not just in the mayor's office, but also at LADCO, the Chamber of Commerce, and downtown Main Street, which he believes could help strengthen collaboration moving forward.
Any other priorities he's looking at then, Crystal, moving forward?
It's really a long list. Some of the things include addressing Highway 53, continuing the work with Pathways Home, and maybe even looking at some more short-term things to help that population, as well as creating short-term strategic plans that complement the 2040 plan.
All right, so a lot to keep an eye on as we move forward. Thanks, Crystal.